how's it going? We had someone that had a question on how to clean a MWR. We have the Wild and Whiskey and Wolf air filter. I would say that this thing's got about, how many miles you got on it right now?
About almost 4,000.
4,000 miles, all right? So it's dirty. Luckily it's not a Sprint, so it's actually caught all the dirt. Best thing that I suggest, I like this Gunk engine degreaser cleaner. It's nothing too crazy. I just go ahead and I spray it on and just essentially soak the whole filter. There we go. And then once we do that, I'm going to get my hand and I'm just going to work it in nice and easy. And then we're going to let it do its thing. We've got it nice and foamy inside and out. And this pretty much just knocks all the oil, all the old oil off, all the dirt, and it's not abrasive or harmful to the foam. And yeah, you can see foams are really nice and dirty. And once this is done, I'm gonna just basically do this for a few minutes, knock everything off, and then straight over to the water hose and we blow it off with some water. So come back in a second. All right, so it's been about 2 to 3 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and come in here with our water hose and we're just gonna rinse her off. And this stuff comes off really easy. You can see all the old oil, all the dirt, just floats right off. Nothing crazy. We're gonna do it from the inside out, outside in. We're just gonna try and get all the dirt off. And you want to get all your cleaner off too, because if you don't, then your oil won't stick to the filter. So, pretty easy process. Then when we're done, we're going to go ahead and give it a few swings. And then right there, that's a 100% clean filter. What I'm going to do after this is we're going to throw some dishwashing soap on it. Alright, so I'm using some Gain Ultra. It doesn't matter what you use, so you just put a little bit on there, nothing crazy, and you just want to foam it up. And this just gets that last little bit of all the chemicals and everything out. And you just sit there and just wash it, just like you're washing your hands. When you're done, this thing, you should smell no chemicals if you did it right. So, really easy. So sit there, I got what I like done, and then I'm just gonna rinse it off. All right, there's no more soap. To the other side, all right, looking nice. And then what I do to get it off is I swing it. And that's it. Now we're gonna put it in the sun and let her dry. But that is perfectly clean.